Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit an already uploaded YouTube video. I'm inside my YouTube studio dashboard, and if you don't know how to visit this page, just go to studio.youtube.com. After landing on this page, just go to the content page. These are all already uploaded videos, and to edit one, just click on this little pen next to the video or below the video title. And now you can edit the title from here, the video description from here. You can also to change the thumbnail, just click on these three dots and hit change, and you can upload your new thumbnail. You can already edit the playlist that this video is linked with, or remove it from any playlist already added to. You can also remove a tag or add a new one to your video. And for the visibility or the status of this video, you can edit it from here. You can make it private, unlisted, or public. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is how to edit an already uploaded video on YouTube. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.